and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back and doing makeup tutorials for you all. I wonder, did y'all miss me? I hope you saw the tutorial that I posted right before this one. It's, you know, a review on this wig that I got from Amazon. So as you can see, yeah girl, it's a wig. It's a wig. I am reviewing a new product on Amazon, this cut crease stamp. Now, this is a dupe. This was only about $8 or $9 on Amazon. It feels like a dupe. It looks like a dupe. It comes off. Yeah, it's a dupe. The actual real one is worth $100. Now, I do not have time to spend $100 on a cut crease stamp. I don't know if anyone does. If you got it like that, go ahead and honey, do your coins, get your stamp, live your life. If you want to see my review on this, if you want to see live action what goes on with this stamp, then stay tuned and let's chill out. First things first, I'm going to take this color and put this in my crease as my transition color. I'm going to take this deep reddish mauve color, burgundy. I'm gonna take this burgundy color and apply this at the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking the same brush. Start right here. I just dap it first, and then I slowly but surely add it into the crease. I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to make sure that you can see that color, and add this to the crease. And then make sure that it's also on like half of my eye. And that's kind of pretty much it. We're not really going ham because I really just want to see if this cut crease stamp works. So I'm gonna open this up, and first off, it's broken. Like, pretty sure these two are supposed to be attached, but since it's rubber, it just hooks right back on, and so this is how it looks like. I'm going to put concealer on half of this and then stamp it, but I don't really know. I'm guessing this rounder part of it, the rounder side, is for your eye. Take my NARS concealer, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Medium Dark 1.5. I put it on like directly half of the stamp, and so I'm just going to apply this right on my eye and see if this works. So that didn't work that well. As you can see, there's like, yeah, that didn't work too well, but I'll just, you know, fill it in with a brush. Yeah, that was not good. Maybe I need to add some more. Like, maybe I need to like really pack on the concealer, but then I'm scared that like it's just not going to put the eyeshadow on really well. Well, let's see. Let's try it again. One more time. Really wiggle in there. Ooh. So it's decent. It's not like the best thing ever. Doesn't transfer very well, but it's decent. So I'm just going to feather that out. As you can see, it got a little bit on my crease, but that's fine. So yeah, that's that half. Stick this bad boy back on. See, you know, it's a dupe because I'm pretty sure your $100 stamp wouldn't come off like this. And if it does, get your money back, hun. So we're gonna apply the concealer again, and I'm going to apply a liberal amount, but I also feel like that's just wasting concealer. So again, went to the top of that crease. This one was a lot messier. You would think the second time around I would have it, but nah. I'm going to take my crease brush again and just take whatever is left over and just add that over that excess concealer that got to the top. So now I'm going to add some glitter and I'm going to apply it on the stamp and see if that works as well. Though at this point, I am skeptical. I feel like this is not saving me time. I feel like this is actually giving me anxiety because I'm afraid that this stamp is gonna come off and drop right on my pants and then I'm going to be upset. I'm going to apply this color. So I'm gonna take this and this is gonna go on this eye and we're just gonna see how this works. As you can see, a little shimmer came off, but the most of it is on here. So that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna try to find some loose shadow. So I have my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and it is in the color Rose Gold Retro. So I'm going to use this and see if this shows up better than the Huda, because the glitter in the Mob's Obsession palette is just not working. So I'm going to apply it again, and we're gonna try this again. So that worked a bit. As you can see, I'm kind of just like taking whatever's on here and trying to get it off because I don't want to waste product. Here we go. But as you can see, it's messy. Like, that line is not good. So I'm gonna wipe this off and do the other side. It's on. As you can see, it's like not clean. I had to like move it like this in order to get most of the powder off of the actual stamp. I'm back. I put on my lashes and I applied a little wing just to complete this look. So this is the completed look with the stamp. So my thoughts on this cut crease stamp. No me gusta. I don't like it. You know, to be perfectly honest, if you had to get ready for an event and you were running late and you wanted to do a cut crease and you would think, oh, okay, let me use this stamp would actually mess up your entire life. Like, this would actually take you longer to fix all of the mistakes that this stamp leaves, like the concealer going out of control, the sparkle or whatever like eyeshadow you want to apply to complete your cut crease just looking an absolute mess. You would have to start all over. You would be annoyed. Your makeup would probably not come out well because you probably spent already 5 minutes blending and was happy with the blend that you already had, and then this would just completely mess up your entire look, your life, your mood. It would just be a nightmare. I don't know what makes the original, the real authentic one good, because I've seen thousands of Instagram videos. We've all seen those Instagram videos where he just plops the stamp right on this girl's eye and it just comes out beautiful, right? I don't know if it's a different type of material. I'm pretty sure it is, of course, because if you're charging $100, that means that the material is probably 10 times better than this. There's like a certain type of silicone that like it be tacky, so when you put, you know, your concealer or your eyeshadow on, it will actually hold it and like, you know, keep it together until you put it on your eye, and then it will transfer easier. Just do yourself a favor and do not buy this. Once again, thank you all for watching my video. I am so glad to be back. I kind of took 2 weeks off after I came back from Dubai. I was so tired and jet lagged. So it's nice to be doing some makeup videos for you all again. Let me know if you all have tried this dupe as well, and if it went better for you. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. You know, I'm not an expert. Like, maybe I just don't know how to apply some concealer onto a plastic eye stamp and put it on my eye. Who knows? But like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye. Also, I need to have a moment of silence because my favorite brush of all time is now deceased.